What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use facial recognition on the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully everyone is having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. I'm going to be showing you how to use facial recognition instead of the in-screen fingerprint sensor. If you want to use this as an option, definitely go ahead and set this up after. But we're going to be showing you how to do this. Very simple, very easy. First thing you're going to be doing is going into the settings right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings right there. Then we're going to scroll down till we get biometrics and security. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Now we have a few different options. We have fingerprints, facial recognition, and we actually have more biometric settings if you guys want to go ahead and set that up. We also have Find My Mobile if you guys want to go ahead and use that, and we have our secure folder right here. But we're going to go ahead and click on register your face. Next, we're going to put in our PIN. So this PIN is going to be your lock screen PIN. Once you have that in, go ahead and click next. So there are a few things about facial recognition you guys should know before this. It says a convenient way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your face data is secured by Knox, so hopefully they don't give that away secretly. But it says more about your face. It says facial recognition is considered less secure than other lock types because there is some possibility that someone who looks like you or uses an image of your face could unlock your phone. It also says make sure your face is clearly visible during registration. Don't wear a mask, sunglasses, or a hat that covers your face. It says keep in mind that the face recognition might not recognize you if there are major changes to your appearance, such as heavy makeup, facial hair changes, or glasses. So if you guys have sunglasses or anything, take them off. It's not going to work because it needs to recognize your eyes and other bones and things in your face. But if you do have normal glasses, go ahead and keep them on. We're going to click continue. Now it's going to ask you, do you wear glasses? If you do, put them on now so you can register your face both with glasses and without them. So we're going to click yes, and we're going to click continue. Now we're in here, we're going to go ahead and register our face. So it says take off your glasses to continue. So if you guys have glasses, we're going to go ahead and pop these off for right now. And we're going to do the rest of this without them. Click continue. And we're good to go. Our face has been registered. Now you can turn this off at any time, but it also says stay on lock screen until swipe. So if you guys want to go ahead and set that, you can. I really don't like that. I like when it just opens straight away. It also says when you unlock with face recognition, you'll stay on lock screen until you swipe. Turn this off to go directly to the last screen you were using. So we're going to go ahead and click done. And we're going to go ahead and try this out now. So we're going to turn this off. Go ahead and look at it. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, just like that. Very, very quick. We're going to go ahead and try that again. Turn that off. Turn it on. Boom, opens just like that. Very, very accurate. Very, very accurate. Let's try this a couple more times. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. So it's very, very accurate, as you guys can see. But if you guys have a twin or you have someone that looks like you in your household, or that's your friend, definitely don't recommend turning this on because they'll probably be able to get in your phone. But yeah, this is how you turn facial recognition on. This is how you use it. Very useful tool right here for your lock screen. But if this video did help you out, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech King already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech King.